A summary of a letter from Birmingham City Jail. Dr. King was arrested and sent to jail for protesting segregation in Birmingham, Alabama. After reading an open letter from 8 white clergymen in the local newspaper criticizing him and his fellow activists, MLK decided he might as well write back to them to let them know what was on his mind. Dr. King used the opportunity to bring everybody up to speed about the protests in Birmingham. He told them what it was about, why protesters were disobeying laws. Dr. King was disappointed with clergymen in the South. Now for nature. In the story Nature, Ralph Waldo Emerson is of the view that nature and beauty of nature can only be understood by a man when he is in solitude. It is only in solitude that a man realizes the significance of nature because he is far away from the hustled life he is accustomed to like since childhood.
Oh man, going on a hike. I am going on a hike. See you later. What does that even mean?
Nature always wears the colors of its spirit.
Alright. Wait. What?
Are you a city boy?
Heck yeah, brother.
Listen, I used to be a city bear, and my life was so stressful, and once I got out into nature and really discovered the world for itself, I really brought me closer to Jesus, and I really figured life out for what it is. I think you should come with me.
You know what? I'll give it a try. It doesn't hurt to try. I mean, I do have like my own stress. I put up my own stress through my classes and just overall life. I'll give it a shot. Hey, so how do you like the life out here?
Well, to be honest, it's a beautiful place. I have a beautiful view. There's food, there's drink, there's shelter. So, I love it. I'm enlightened.
Yeah, that's cool. Well, how do I get back to my friends? Like, I'm lost and they're texting me and stuff. I'm trying to get back. How do I get back?
Just take that way right there. Make sure you spread the word. We need to enlighten others.
All right, for sure. Thanks.
What the heck? I'm just going on a hike? I'll see him later. I'm going back to bed.
Hey Dylan, have you played that new game Apex?
No, I've been playing R6. I literally just 4-0'd Andrew a couple days ago.
You 4'0'd Andrew?
Yeah, he's trash.
Speaking of Andrew, where is he?
I haven't seen him in a couple days.
Yeah, we went on a hike a couple of days ago to let some steam off, I think.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe he adopted the pace of nature.
I think we should go look for him.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Come on, guys. Let's go on a hike.
No, let's go to the club.
Yeah, the club sounds better to me.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah.
No, trust me. It'll be so much fun. Wait. The
What?
happiest man is he who learns from nature.
You know what? Let's just give it a shot. Let's go. Come on. Let's go on a hike.
Whatever.
Trust me, dude. You're gonna like this place. It's so beautiful out here. I love nature now.
Dude, what are you talking about?
Nah, dude. I just trust him. I think it'll be okay.
No.
What is this?
What is this?
Dude, look at this.
Where are we?
This is the spot. Look at this.
It's kind of cool out here, actually.
Yeah.
Dude, what? Where did you take us? Yeah,
Just-
where did you take us?
Look at this. This is so much more beautiful than the city. Like, now that I'm a nature boy, like, I have everything to myself now. Don't you agree?
Yeah, I think I actually kind of like it out here.
I'm gonna be honest, I'd much rather be at the club right now.
Same.
I mean, it's alright.
All right, so who's coming with me?
Nah, we're out of here.
Yeah, I'm out.
Come on, guys. All right, whatever. Let's go find that bear.
Oh, this is the bear I was talking about.
Oh, what's up? Why'd you become a nature boy?
Society must protect the robbed and punish the robber.
What is that supposed to mean?
Basically, out here, I'm completely free and there's no punishment.
He was telling us about how you became a nature bear. We thought we'd try it out. Beautiful out here.
Yep, it's a true enlightenment to life.
I'm tired of this bear stealing our friends.
Yeah, me too. Let's go get him.
Look at that. Dude, I'm so sick and tired of this bear. All of our friends are gone.
Yeah, no, me too. Let's go hunt him.
Let's see. Dude, what is that?
I think it might be on this track.
What is this place?
Dude, is nature really this pretty?
Oh, I think I see him over there.
See that bear right there? It's time to end it once and for all.
No! Stop! That's the nature bear.
What are you talking about?
Don't kill him.
Why?
Why don't you just become nature boys? It's better out here.
No,
Yeah.
I don't want to become a nature boy.
Stop.
Why?
Even though you guys tried to help me, I still forgive you guys.
Yeah, I gradually gained a bit of satisfaction for being considered an extremist in nature.
I never even really looked at nature like this.
What do you mean? I stand between the two opposing forces in the nature community.
Well, you're not going to be needing this anymore.
I paid good money for that.
Not anymore. It's nature time.
You really changed my opinion on nature. I like it out here.
No, I'm glad you're a nature boy now.
Me too.
RGC was on transcendentalism. Nature is the focal point for much transcendentalist thought and writing. For transcendentalists, nature and the soul were inextricably linked.